TAIL is used to rate indoor environmental quality before and after renovation, to examine the impact of the renovation process on the quality of the indoor environment and the health and well-being of building occupants. A simplified form of TAIL is used in the process of planning and selecting the most efficient energy renovation called RenoMap. The detailed protocol for determining TAIL has been developed and is in the process of testing and validation. It includes, among others, the seasonal, temporal, and spatial sampling strategy, details on instruments that shall be used, including their precision and description of how the measurements results shall be analyzed. The protocol of determining TAIL is validated now in several buildings across Europe. The focus is on examination of the proposed measuring procedures that will result in their modification and supplementation.